how to spy on your competition and steal their LinkedIn strategy. Now look, I'm not going to have you do anything illegal, anything that's shady, or anything that might get you in trouble, but we're going to be talking about doing some things that most people skip or ignore, or they just don't know how to do, that's going to help you reverse engineer what your successful competition is doing to get clients, so that you can be inspired by that and start doing something similar so that you can get clients from LinkedIn as well. For those of you who don't know me, it's Chris Prouty. For the last 22 years, I've had thousands of paying clients that I have helped build their businesses by teaching them and working with them on how to attract clients online, but I do it in a way like you might not think. And if you're new to my channel, now would be a genius time to subscribe, bell, so that you get alerts when I create new content like this. So let's start spying on your competition. The first thing you have to do is identify who your competition is that's being successful with social media. There's a difference between people who are successful and people who are just showcasing that they're successful. You've got to use your special sense for determining who really is successful and who really isn't. I'll give you a tip on how to do that. The people that are really successful aren't really showcasing it. They're not showing off the cars and the vacations. They're just talking about the transformations that they offer, and they're showcasing the people that they've helped. So that might be a good first place to start. So go ahead and figure out who like your top 3 competitors are. 3 is probably a good number to start with. Then you're going to bookmark their social accounts. If you're doing this just on LinkedIn, bookmark their LinkedIn profiles. You're going to be visiting these profiles repeatedly so that you can see the kind of stuff that they're doing. You want to examine the content that they're creating, the pace at which they're creating and publishing that content, the topics that they're talking about, the language that they're using. You want to check out all of that. And what I recommend doing is starting a spreadsheet, and in that spreadsheet just having different columns for different things, like how often they're posting, what their topics are they interacting with the comments, or are they ignoring the comments? What can you do and what can you do better? Once you start to do this, you're going to start to identify common threads that exist in your competition that is successful. Now you've got the DNA for what a successful LinkedIn strategy looks like. You can start to apply that to your own LinkedIn strategy. So the successful people that I work with realize that you've got to take what you've learned by extracting that information from your competitors' profiles, and you've got to put your own spin on it. And that's what's most important, because it has to be authentic and it has to come from you. And if you keep an eye on what the competition's doing, you document it, you look for the DNA, and then you replicate that DNA into your own strategy, it's going to work very well for you. And if you'd like to be able to enhance that strategy and get it done even faster, I created this class for you. It's proutyclass.com. It's a free on-demand workshop that when you take that workshop, I'm going to show you case studies, examples, and a step-by-step plan for how to get clients from social media, including LinkedIn. And it's all available for you, stuff that you can start doing today to start growing your business today. So just go to proutyclass.com. Prouty's my last name. Class is what I'm giving.com. Well, that keeps me online. Please go to that on-demand workshop right now, please, because I made that thing to help you get more clients. And if you follow that guidance, I think you're going to love it. And I certainly do hope that you make a lot of money from what you learn there. And while everything I just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing that you need right now. That's why I'm going to put a link to another training right here for you to check out right now. After you go here, after you do proutyclass.com, that's going to help you out. And if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel and get alerts every time I create new content like this.